Welcome to the Nightly Needle. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little butterfly applique. To get started, we're going to need a 4-weight yarn in one color. I'm using Hobby Lobby's I Love This yarn in the color peach. You'll need a 4mm crochet hook, a darning needle, and a pair of scissors. We're going to begin by making a slip knot. Now we're going to chain 4. Working in the 4th chain from the hook, we're going to make a double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the chain and draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. This makes our first V-stitch. To work the next V-stitch, we're going to double crochet into the same chain. Then we're going to chain 1 and double crochet again. We're going to repeat this 2 more times until we have a total of 4 V-stitches. To begin the next round, we're going to chain 3. This does count as the first double crochet. Then we're going to turn our work. The next stitch is going to be worked into the chain 1 space of the previous V-stitch. In this space, we're going to create another V-stitch. So again, you're going to double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into the same space. Next, we're going to work a single crochet in between the next 2 double crochets. You're going to insert your hook and draw up a loop. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. Then in the next V-stitch chain space, we're going to work another V-stitch. So again, you're going to double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into the same space. Then in between the next 2 double crochets, we're going to make our single crochet. Then you're going to V-stitch into the next V-stitch chain space. Then single crochet in between the next 2 double crochets. Then make a V-stitch into the next V-stitch chain space. Double crochet into the final stitch. As you can see here, our butterfly is starting to take shape. Chain 3 to begin the next round. Then we're going to turn our work. In the chain space of the next V-stitch, we're going to work 4 double crochets. Then in the next single crochet, we're going to make a slip stitch. Now double crochet into that first double crochet of the next V-stitch. Now we're going to work a half shell into the chain space. You're going to double crochet 2 times, chain 2, and double crochet 2 more times into that same chain space. Then slip stitch into the next single crochet. Then you're going to chain 2 and slip stitch into the same single crochet. This creates the little bottom of the butterfly. In the next V-stitch chain space, we're going to work another half shell. Double crochet 2 times, chain 2, and double crochet 2 more times into the same space. Then you're going to double crochet into the second double crochet of the same V-stitch. Then you're going to slip stitch into the next single crochet. Then working into the chain space of the next V-stitch, you're going to make 4 double crochets. Double crochet into the final stitch. So we're finished crocheting the rounds. It's time to finish up our butterfly. So you're going to chain 1 and then fasten off the yarn. Now you're going to weave in all your ends using your darning needle. Now that the body's done, we're going to make the antennas. So you're going to start by making a slip knot and chaining 21. After making our chains, we're going to fasten off the yarn. Then you're going to yarn over and pull the tail all the way through the final chain. Now we're going to attach the antennas to the body. You're going to take your butterfly and flip it over. Now on the bottom there's going to be a little space from a previous round single crochet. You're going to insert your hook and you're going to pull one of the tails through that little hole. Then you're going to try to make them as even as possible on either side of the butterfly. Once you get the sides even, you're going to just tie it off using a simple knot. Now you're going to double check and make sure the antennas are still even. If they're not, just do a little more adjusting, and then we're going to tie it off again. This double knot should secure it and keep it from unraveling. Now that we're finished with the antenna placement, we're going to snip off the excess tails. You're going to take your scissors and you're going to snip close to the knot. Just be careful not to accidentally clip the knot, because if you do, it's going to unravel your chains. Well done, our butterfly is complete. You can use this applique on just about anything. You can sew it to some squares to make up a blanket or some type of shawl. You could also attach them to sweaters. That would be super cute. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it was helpful to you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really does help the channel get into that YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.